Are you worried about your child's education? Don't worry, we're here to help. Presenting Rol Global Academy. At Rol Global Academy, we offer personalized online learning with expert teachers. Comprehensive learning range. At Rol Global Academy, primary education, lower secondary, Key Stage 3, IB grades, PYP, MYP, DP, IGCSE and O levels, AS and A levels, intermediate, FSC and FA, BA and BSc programs. Subjects we offered: mathematics, additional math, science, physics, chemistry, biology, combined science, English language, English literature, special preparations for IELTS and PTE, computer science and IT, AI business studies, economics, accounting, statistics, geography, history, Islamic studies, Al-Quran. Special individual tarbiyah sessions for child's grooming, character development, and mental health. Beyond basics, Rol's extra edge programs, quick syllabus recap sessions, booster sessions, test programs, interactive quizzes, assignments and revision with fun interactive games. We proudly serve students worldwide. A wide range of international boards tailored to help your child succeed: IB Pearson Edexcel, International Cambridge OA levels, IGCSE, AQA, British Council. Enroll now. Email us, rolglobalacademy@gmail.com, WhatsApp us, +44 7355 581 739. For updates, follow us on Facebook, Instagram and subscribe our YouTube channel. Rol Global Academy, Rays of Learning, Steps to Success.